Hello everyone, welcome back to RK Telehealth. In today's video we're going to take a detailed look at a handheld X-ray device, a compact portable radiography system designed to provide X-ray imaging in locations where conventional fixed X-ray equipment may not be readily available. Device. A handheld X-ray device is a portable X-ray generator that can be operated by a trained healthcare professional for diagnostic radiography. Unlike conventional X-ray machines, which are usually installed in dedicated radiology rooms, handheld systems are designed for greater mobility and can be useful in emergency care, outreach services, bedside imaging, and remote healthcare settings. Where is it used? Handheld X-ray systems may be useful in emergency departments and trauma care, regulatory approval, local protocols, and the qualified operator. Major advantages. One of the biggest advantages is portability. The device can be transported to the patient rather than always requiring the patient to be transported to the X-ray room. It can also help reduce delays in selected clinical situations and may be particularly valuable for healthcare delivery in remote and underserved areas. Another advantage is its compact design compared with conventional fixed radiography systems. Important safety considerations. Although the device is small, it is still an ionizing radiation-producing X-ray system. Therefore, radiation safety must always be the priority. Only appropriately trained and authorized professionals should operate the equipment. The operator should follow time, distance, shielding, minimize unnecessary exposure time, maintain the maximum practical distance from the radiation source, and use appropriate protective barriers or personal protective equipment as required by the applicable radiation safety protocol. Patient positioning, exposure factors, collimation, and other technical parameters should be selected according to the manufacturer's instructions and established radiography protocol. Uses of handheld X-ray device. A handheld X-ray device is mainly used for portable radiographic imaging, especially when a patient cannot easily be moved to a conventional X-ray room. Common uses include 1. Chest X-ray, assessment of lungs, heart and chest conditions. 2. Fracture detection, imaging of suspected bone fractures. 3. Trauma and emergency care, rapid imaging at the point of care. 4. Bedside X-rays, useful for patients in ICU, wards or emergency areas. 5. Orthopedic imaging, hands, wrists, elbows, shoulders, ankles and feet, depending on the device and detector. 6. Remote and rural healthcare, imaging in areas where fixed X-ray facilities are unavailable. 7. Medical camps and outreach services, portable imaging closer to underserved communities. On the device's approved specifications, detector, local regulations, and trained radiography personnel.